UMakgotle uvele okokuqala namhlanje enkantolo ngecala lokuphazamisa ukusebenza komthetho emacaleni abewaphenya. Wavela eKhomishaneni kaMadlanga ngoNhlolanja nalapho abuzwa khona ngomsebenzi asewenzile wokuphenya ngesibhamu esabulala uAmanda Swart. Kutholakala ukuthi maningi amaphutha awubudedengu uMakgotle awenzile ngesikhathi kwenziwa ucwaningo athinta isibhamu esadubula. Ngisho nenombolo yaleli cala yayinephutha. Kusolwa ke ukuthi izenzo zikaMakgotle ziphazamise uphenyo lwamacala okubulawa kwabantu abehlukene.
The initial report that was worked on by Captain Makgotle, it had glaring mistakes and a lot of errors. And it is unusual with the experience of Captain Makgotle that he would make such glaring mistakes and would not link these firearms to other cases.
Ngesikhathi amaphoyisa egasela kwakhe ashaqe amadokoda ngo-28 aqukethe imbiko yocwaningo osuke lwenziwe lokusebenza kwesibhamu, izibhamu ezehlukene kanye nezinye izinto ezithinta uphenyo oluqhubekayo ngamanye amacala.
This is an opportunity for the captain to actually come clean, to say who was he working with? Was he working with the syndicates or was he working with other people who stood to gain if they protected those syndicates and those accused that are now before court?
Umsolwa ugcinwe esitokisini, icala lakhe lahlehliselwa umhla zimbili kuNhlangulana ukuze afake isicelo sebheyili.